In Monday's video, I designed this logo in just 12 minutes. Today I am not redesigning it, I am fixing the one detail that actually matters. This was a small change, but it completely changes how the logo feels. Small change is equal to big impact. This tiny logo fix makes a huge difference. Yes or no? Comment me in the comment box. This is a small presentation you can do for your client. Another presentation using mockup you can create this way. If you want to know how it is done, then comment me. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.